Mexicano en las Filipinas. ¡Oh!
Desde Monterrey cruzó hasta Texas, donde creció con sueños y esfuerzo. Conoció en redes una chinita de Filipinas, su amor bendijo, el amor lo hizo viajar lejos.
Umayong gabi sa tanan. We're here in the kitchen and we're gonna brush your teeth. Hey, here, hold it. Hold the brush. So guys, first time ni Rio mag-toothbrush. So, wait anak. Let me put the water in the cup real quick. Okay. Ready? So guys, this is Rio's first time brushing his teeth. So okay, here. Sige. Like this. Like this. Open mouth. Open. Like this. Look, anak. Like this. Oh, here. You hold it. You do it. Sige. Like this. Sige. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yay! Sige, do it. Let me see. Let me do it. Yay! Like this. Let me see. Water. Do not drink it. Split it like this. Like this. Okay. Split it. Split it. Split the water. Yeah. Drink the water. We're done? Wow. Wow. Sige, you do it. Like this, oh. Like this. Do like this. Sige na, here. Enough na na, oy. Spit the water. Uy! You swallowed the water! Cabrones! Thank you guys for watching! Bye-bye! Bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye na! Bye-bye! 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 Do like this! Bye!
Ya le pusieron para que no se manche. Comer su sandía. Y anda viendo sus programas.